Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to verify Pop Mart. In order to verify Pop Mart, one of the best options is to scan the QR code. In order to do this, you'll need to locate the QR code. This could be on the box, but if it's a figure, you'll need to look for a QR code on the figure or on a tag that follows the product. There is also the authenticity card. Some Pop Mart figures come with a separate authenticity card that includes a QR code. So whether you're checking the box, the figure, tag, or authenticity card, this is where you'll need to locate the QR code. Now once the QR code is located, you'll need to get your smartphone. Now because most smartphones have a built-in QR code scanner within the camera app, simply open your camera and point at the QR code. Now if your phone camera doesn't automatically scan the QR code, you'll need to download a reputable QR code scanner app from your device app store. So when you're ready, open your camera app or the QR code scanner app and then scan the code. Then you'll need to wait for your phone to recognize and process the code. It should prompt you to open a link. Then here is a crucial step. Verify the official Pop Mart website URL. This is where you'll need to differentiate genuine products from fakes. After scanning, your phone will open a web browser tab and redirect you to a website. Check the URL immediately. The only official Pop Mart anti-counterfeiting query websites are https://fwsy.popmart.com. Sometimes you might be redirected to https://m-gs.popmart.com. These links will be in the description below for easy referencing. Along with this step, you'll need to be aware of limitations. While we have provided these links, you'll need to check out for misspellings. For example, if it's Pop Mart, but you get to see Pop Armed or Pop Marty, then you know that something is fishy. So extra words or extra subdomains can be an indication of a fake product. Now once you're on a legitimate Pop Mart anti-counterfeiting website, it will typically ask you to enter a security code. Now this code can be found on the Pop Mart box, often directly below or near the QR code. It might be covered by a scratch-off layer that you'll need to gently scratch off with a coin to reveal the full code. The website will often ask for the last 4 digits of the security code, but please follow the specific instructions on the page. And then lastly, you'll need to review the authentication results. After entering the code, click the Verify or Submit button. The website will then display the verification results, whether it's an authentic product or not. And also, you'll need to pay attention to the query count or number of times verified. If it shows that the code has been queried multiple times, especially a high number, it could indicate that a genuine code has been copied and used on numerous fake products. Ideally, a brand new, authentic product should show a low query count, perhaps 1 or 2. And of course, if the product is fake or counterfeit, the website will usually indicate that the code is invalid or has been queried too many times, or the product is simply not authentic. So this is how you get to verify Pop Mart using the QR code method.